Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Stone beneath me naked feet, earth beat, roots grow deep where truth remain. No chill, me feel the ancestors close, spirit flows, me build me life on solid ground, no shaky sound. Every trial make me wise, open eyes, me learn patience from the tree, standing free. Storm come but roots hold tight, day and night, me see the world chase empty shine, but me find true wealth live inside soul. Make me bold, roots teach me how to wait, not hate. Early morning breeze by me skin, sunrise slow, me spirit grin. Hear the drum from far away, calling me soul to start the day. Me feel the fire deep inside, burning truth me can't hide. Them try cool down me fame so long, tell me quiet, tell me wrong. But me born with fire in a chest, burning truth never rest. Me voice come rough, me voice come real, straight from wound that never heal. Every scam me carry proud, fire talk with words too low. Me walk through smoke and broken dreams, still me see beyond these schemes. Babylon sell illusion bright, but me I see through the night. Me no fear fire, me become flame, turn me pain into a nail. Every step I burning sign, me destiny, me design. Fire in me soul, blaze up high, can't cool me down no matter why. Fire in me soul, pure and true, burn away the lies, let truth come true. Me chant for the youth in the street, barefoot hard but reading sweet. When the system shut them on, fire teach them what life called. Me see hope in every spot, light the way through every dark. From the ashes we arise, with lion heart and open eyes. No water can drown this flame, no chain can make it tame. Me fire burn from being and prayer, from everywhere and everywhere. When you see me ancestors smile, fire carry me mile by mile. Burn bright, burn down, burn out, that's what this life about. Let me fire cleanse your soul, make you strong, make you whole. Fire in me soul, blaze up high, lift me spirit to the sky. Fire in me soul, never die, living true till me say goodbye. When me night feel cold and cruel, remember fire rule. Me walk with flame till end up road. Fire in me soul, heavy load. Na na na, no, no, na na na, na na na, no, no. Ay, ay, ay. Me wake up with the sunrise glow, fire in me chest start flow. No chain can bind me so like control. Me walk the street with purpose, gear, no fear. System try bind me mind, but me stay kind. Every scar tell story deep, truth me keep. From ghetto road to mountain high, he never lie. Babylon chat low, but empty me see plenty. Them sell dream made trust. Fire burns slow and strong, long, long. From ancestor blood me rise overnight. Fire inna the heart, never go burn me down. Fire inna the heart, pure and clean, evergreen. Me chant for the ones them lost. Hey, because me see youth with heavy load, long road. Still them smile when the drum beat, life sweet. Fire keep them spirit high. Reach sky, me no go to golden throne. Stand alone. Shoot me crown, love me sword, word of Jalar. Fire guide me every step, respect me heartbeat to ancient drum. Kingdom come when darkness tries surround. Fire found, no cold can touch me flame. See him name, burning steady through the night. Jalai, fire inna the heart, never go burn me down. Fire inna the heart, pure and clean, evergreen. So me water, let I. Fire never die. Inna me chest it turn and spark light in dark.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Early breeze touch me face, soft like ancient drum echo. My spirit rise with the morning hue, searching the path of calm. Silence whisper wisdom from far, leading me steps slow and sure. Me walk through fields where memory grow, old tales stitched in the soil. Hills hold stories of brave hearts still humming through the air. Me breathe deep and feel stronger, grounding me like sacred earth. Every corner show me reason to stay humble and hold balance. Voices of elders right on the wind, guiding me every choice. Them remind me to stand tall even when the ground shake. Enough roads twist and turn, but focus keep the soul steady. From shadow to brightness, keep me in a compass clear. Roots of the horizon calling me name, gentle and wide. Show me the pathway, carry peace stretching beyond the tide. Roots of the horizon lift me mind to steady place, where hope grows strong and calm embrace the space. Me sit for a moment, watch clouds drift slow and quiet. Each one shape a future, me can walk to walk with courage. Life tests every heart, but clarity come to the honest. Me follow the breeze that whisper new lessons each day. Nightfall bring cool calm, the stars sketch ancient symbols. Me listen well, learning rhythm of the unseen world. Truth travel through silence, shaping me into better form. Me never fade.
Jamanam, Jamanam, oh, Jamanam, Jamanam, oh, Jamanam, Jamanam, Jamanam.
Morning light stretch across the ground wide and golden. Me heart settle into quiet rhythm of renewal. The neighborhood slowly wake, voices blend soft. Everyday people bring the energy that shape the moment. Me listen, me feel the connection waving between us. Unity beneath every word spoken true. Me walk among familiar faces, each holding unique story. We share not smile, small joke that warm the vibe. Life's sweeter when we move as one, even in simple ways. Strength multiply when kindness lead the flow. Echo of unity spread through the town. Lift every spirit, never let them down. Echo of unity ring clear and bright. Turn heavy burdens into shining light. Music from a small corner box start the wave. People tap feet, sway gentle, feel the spark. Me join the motion, letting tension fall away. Vibe grow larger, linking heart to heart. Street transformed into meeting ground of joy. Voices blend, laughter rise, stress dissolve. Me treasure moments like this, built from simple love. Unity proof, stronger than any wall or doubt. Stand close, share vibe, keep connection alive. Let positive energy lead the collective strive. Echo of unity spread through the town. Lift every spirit, never let them down. Echo of unity ring clear and bright. Turn heavy burden into shining light. As evening fall, the echo still linger deep. Unity remain the song we carry into tomorrow.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Sound the whistle, time fi go. Zion train start fi flow. Me pack me faith, me drop me fear. Jah guide and steer through the smoke and Babylon plain. Still roll the Zion train. Me see the people line the track, no turning back. Every soul want ride tonight into the morning light. Them tired of sorrow, tired of pain. Waiting pon the Zion train, me chant me song, me spirit strong, freedom song. Them try delay the engine start, but Jah control the part, no ticket needed, love the key. Ride for destiny, me see the elder wave goodbye. Me feel me spirit fly, one love vibration rain. Zion train, roll on till the struggle gone. Carry the people home, no more roam. Zion train, roll on, steady strong. We all belong, Jah conductor hold the line. Forward time, me hear the rhythm from the wheel. Truth me feel, no more division, no disguise, just open eyes. Every station full of song, me know me belong. Inna the smoke, me sight the flame. Call Jah name, me sit beside a youth who cry. Me tell him lift your eye, the journey long but end sweet. Love complete, from first breath to final tone. Jah lead we home, no power can restrain. Zion train, every bump, every bend is not the end. Keep rolling, faith sustain. Bless again, me hear Jah voice in every chain. Break free, ride the train. Zion train, roll on till the struggle gone. Carry the people home, no more roam. Zion train, roll on, steady strong. We all belong, Jah conductor hold the line. Forward time. Sunrise tap me shoulder. Warm like old friend greeting. Me align my breath with the early chant of nature. Street still quiet, but me heartbeat create the tempo. Walk smooth, leaving doubts behind like dust. Every thought clear, every step hold purpose. Daylight stretch out long, offering new chapters. Me hear rhythm in the wind, soft but confident. It shape me stride, uplift me core. No need for rush, the journey guide itself. Me follow the pulse like a hidden drum line. Golden step rhythm, move with steady mind. Carry me forward, leaving old stress behind. Golden step rhythm, lift me spirit clean. Make every moment bright like unseen dream. Me greet life with gratitude. Even when clouds gather, every storm teach growth, every struggle refine clarity. Me rise above confusion, keep in balance, firm light inside, stay strong through every shift. Voices of unity echo around the lanes. People share, smile, lifting the whole vibe. Even small gestures build bigger harmony. Me join the wave of positivity rolling through the place. Keep the rhythm pure, everything align when intention stay clean. Golden step rhythm, move with steady mind. Carry me forward, leaving all stress behind. Golden step rhythm, lift me spirit clean. Like unseen dream. within me till dawn.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Zion reggae, yeah man. In the darkness, small but true, lantern of faith shine for you. Not of power, not of pride, lantern of joy always guide. Babylon lies can blind the sight. Lantern of faith bring pure light. Every glow of prophecy, lantern shine eternally. Children hold it in them hand. Lantern guide across the land. Elders lift it high and sing. Lantern of faith blessing bring. Not of silver, not of gold. Lantern story long foretold. Everlasting, pure and free. Lantern shine for you and me. Zion reggae, I'm on. Zion reggae, I'm on. Zion reggae, I'm on. Traveler lost upon the night. Lantern show the righteous light. Star may rage and road may bend. Lantern guide until the end. Babylon darkness can't remain. Lantern break the heavy chain. Generations pass along. Lantern burn so strong. Prophets chant and angels pray. Lantern guide the holy way. Every nation bow and know. Lantern of faith forever glow. Everlasting, pure and bright. Lantern of Zion night to night. From creation till today. Lantern light the holy way. For a baby, I'm on. For a glen never gone. Jah carry me, I'm on. Small in size but great in might. Lantern shine in darkest night. Not of hatred, not of fear. Lantern of Jah always near. All creation testify. Lantern flame will never die. Eternal beacon, pure and strong. Lantern guide the world along. Glow, glow, holy flame. Lantern shine in Jah name. Guide the humble, guide the weak. Lantern light is what we seek. Lantern of faith, strong and true. Shine forever, shine for you. Light the valley, light the road. Lantern lift the heavy load. Forever glowing, never gone. Lantern of Jah carry on. Ay, ay, ay. Me wake up with fire in chest. No rest, lion heart beat steady strong. Just song me roaring a valley wide. No hide, courage grow like tree. Set me free, them try bring down my spirit glow. Still me glow, lion heart no bow to fear. truth clear. Every trial build me soul. Self-control, me walk through fire calm. Holy sound, me hear the voice of ancient kings. Freedom rings, them say stand firm in a truth. Teach the youth, me carry legacy so bright. Jah lights, no enemy can tame me roar. Me soar, lion heart, stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat, face it. Me see the battle in this street, still me beat, me fight with love, not gun. Victory won, lion heart protect the weak. Freedom speak, me let them choose storm. Keep warm, me no seek crown or gold. Me soul bold, me serve the people true. Like Jah do, lion heart within me chest. Never rest, me roar of hope and peace. Love increase when the night dark and cold. Me stay bold, just strength in every beat. Complete lion heart, carriage of fire. Never tire, jump lion heart. Stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat. Face it, jump lion heart. Guard the land, takes a stand. Lion heart, fear no foe. Bless flow. So when this storm roll again, me remain lion heart forever true. Jah crew.
Na na na.
na na. Na na na. Oh na na. Na na na. Money light kiss the mountain top. Rain a drop, never stop. Me wake and stretch, inhale your breeze. Mind at ease. Bird them sing a holy song. Life belong. Rise and shine, me spirit glow. Time fi grow. Me walk through the mist of doubt. Me find me root, Jah whisper softly in a me ear. Love conquer fear. Them try to cheer me soul in vain. Me break every chain. Me lift me head, me trod with grace. Open place. Babylon pressure heavy upon me back, but me never lack. Every struggle teach me fight. Light through night, me no envy, me no boast. Jah guide me most. Me hold the balance, truth and peace. Faith increase, rise and shine. Me people strong, right from wrong. Rise and shine, no turn away. New day. Me see the youth them start to move. Find them groove. No more violence, no more hate. Change the state. Me see the mothers pray again. End the pain. Rasta fire blaze inside. Lovers guide. Me climb the hill, me reach the peak. Spirit speak, the light so warm, me feel reborn, new dawn. Me chant the psalm from deep within. Clean from sin, rise and shine. Me soul rejoice, hear me voice. No shadow can cover Jah sun. Victory won, every tear become a seed. Blessed deed. Me walk with courage, heart so true. True and through, rise and shine. Spread the light, end the night. Rise and shine, one love call. Stand tall. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Oh, rise and shine. Spread the light, end the night. Rise and shine, one love call. Stand tall. So when the world feels dark and cold, stay bold. Rise and shine forever bright. Jah light. Bada bim, bada boo. Say, ay, ay, ay. Ha, ha, ha. Software power. Soft waves greet me thoughts, washing me mind cool. Me inhale the quiet energy rising from the water. River glide gentle, teaching patience with every ripple. Me sit on the bank, absorbing the peaceful motion. Storms may come, but calm returns stronger each time. Me reflect on me path, giving thanks for growth. Shadows drift across the surface, slow and steady. Me see me own reflection changing day by day. Lessons set to like stones, firm beneath the flow.
Me embrace the season of clarity and renewal. River of calm flow, soothe me restless mind. Guide me like moonlight, gentle and kind. River of calm flow, carry peace within. Show me the beauty beneath the din. Me watch fisherman cast net with humble patience. Life moves simple when heart understand rhythm. Every catch a blessing, every fail a teacher. Balance come natural when we trust the process. Trees sway soft, sharing wisdom through branches. Roots hold strong, while leaves dance freely. Me take inspiration from the harmony present. Me walk away renewed with deeper focus. Let go the weight, let go the haste. Flow with purpose, move with grace. My shall guide me. River of calm flow, soothe me restless mind. Guide me like moonlight, gentle and kind. River of calm flow, carry peace within. Show me the beauty beneath the din. My shall guide me. As twilight fall, the river still whisper truth. Me hold the calm close, bringing it into tomorrow. Roll a spliff with bamboo paper, yeah man. Me open me window, morning glow. Your light start to show. Every color in the sky remind me why no darkness can invade. Your light never fades. Me see confusion every day. People ask them where, but me keep me vision clear. Jah always near. Them promise power, promise gold, but soul grow cold. Me choose the humble trade. Jah light never fade. Me walk through the market crowd, hear the cry loud, but me smile still stay. Hope find a way. No silver, no diamond ring can change the song me sing. Love and truth me blade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Shine strong, guide me right, right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul will pray, see brighter day. Me mother say keep the faith true. Jah walk with you, so me move in grace and peace. Let the burden cease. The wind carry prayer high, answer come nigh. Me no worry, me no change. Jah light never fade. Elders sit on the stone, say Jah rule alone. Me kneel, me reason, me understand. Life in Jah hand, no shadow block me way. Sunrise every day, every heart unafraid. Jah light never fade. Even when the thunder roll, Jah comfort me soul. From desert sand to ocean tide, Jah spirit inside. Hold the faith, no let it go. Light forever glow. Jah light never fade. Shine strong, guide me right, right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul will pray, see brighter day. Jah light blaze.
chant rebellion clean, no mean. Root rebel na Babylon night, hold tight. Drum beat echo through my soul, take control. Rebel heart, Rasta sound, shake the ground. Them system love control and gain, cause pain. But me stand firm in a bend, till the end. Me chant truth in a every song, right from wrong. Them can't cage body, not me mind. Love refine, me see you, them fight for bread. Tears shed, me tell them all faith stay true. Just see you, no weapon stronger than heart pure, that's sure. Roots rebel rise from dust, trust and just. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Me chant in a market square, freedom here. Me see people dance again, lose them pain. Roots music heal every scar, near and far. Me beat me drum for the poor, open door. Them call me dreamer, me no care, me aware. Me walk the path ancestors trod, one God. Rebel heart no bow to lies, truth rise. Roots rebel live and learn, fire burn. Every generation born again, free from chain. Me hear the drum of resistance, persistence. Rasta teach love not war, reach afar. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Ay, ay, ay. Roots rebel sing this song, right from wrong. Ay, ay, ay. Roots rebel Jah design, so divine. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Oh, 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 yeah. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Oh, me wake and feel the spirit call. No fear can make me fall. Sunrise paint the mountain gold. New story yet untold. Me lift me hands and chant me part. Carry the fire in me heart. Babylon try to cool the flame, but Jah ignite again. Them build them wall, me tear it down. Love still wear the crown. No system can suppress me song. Rasta energy strong. Me blaze the truth on every street, till late retreat. Me see the youth them searching high, the reason why. Me tell them look inside your soul, shall make you whole. Me see the elder beat the drum, remind we where we come from. Roots deep like ancient art. Fire in the heart, fire in the heart. Burn bright, guide we through the night. Every spark a holy sign. Love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame. Chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Me no chase vanity or fame. Me live for Jah name. When the world feel cold and grey, faith still light my way. Every trial build me soul. Every scar a scroll. Me trot through dark but never part. Jah keep me heart. Me see the woman wipe her tear. Jah comfort near. Me tell her sister you no alone. Children laugh, future born. Hope like morning dawn. Me hear the choir start. Fire in the heart. Me no stop, me no tire. Jah fuel the fire. From Kingston Yard to Cape Town shore, we chant forevermore.
strong. Jah rhythm beat lifelong, through struggle and art. Fire in the heart, fire in the heart. When the evening shadows fall, Jah fire bless them all. Me soul and rhythm never part, forever fire in the heart. Na 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 Zion, baby and music German. Hear Jah whisper, carry on. The world still weep, the system cold, but me story must be told. Me feel the fire in my chest, truth refuse to rest. Jah flame burn pure and bright, guide me through the night. Them try to silence the righteous word, but me voice must still be heard. Every chain them build me break, every lie me overtake. Me tread the valley, me climb the hill, still me chant Jah will. From dust me come to light me go, redemption overflow. Me see the people searching still, for peace against the wicked will. Them tired of war, them tired of pain, them call Jah name again. Me bring the message through this song, love are the force that keep we strong. Me chant for the lost, the blind, the meek, Jah justice them seek. Fire of redemption blaze so high, lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed, plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean, wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within me, spirit free, forever guiding me. Oh, 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 yeah. Me see the wicked crumble down, like castle made of sand and crown. The humble rise, the truth reveal, Jah love are the seal. Me see the children learn the way, me see the elders kneel and pray. In the smoke of sacrifice, me find paradise. Them can't stop the flame inside, RASTA fire can't hide. It burn for justice, burn for peace, till Babylon release. Me trod with heart so full of grace, me see Jah in every face. No weapon strong enough to kill, Jah fire still. When the darkness start to close, me remember what me chose. Not gold, not fame, not crown, but truth that never drown. Me see the signs, me read the sky, freedom draw nigh. Fire of redemption light the road, carry me heavy load. Fire of redemption blaze so high, lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed, plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean, wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within me, spirit free, forever guiding me. Fire still burning, soul still bright, guided by the ancient light. Every heart that seek the way, find Jah in the day. No evil plan can tear we down, we wear love like a crown. Fire of redemption never cease, bringing the world to peace. When me gone and this song still play, remember what me say. Hold the fire, keep it strong. Love forever long. Jah blaze eternal.